we'll guide you through how to stop receiving WhatsApp messages without blocking someone. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. There may be situations where you don't want to receive messages from someone, but you also don't want to block them, as that could cause tension or offense. Fortunately, WhatsApp provides a simple workaround. To begin, open WhatsApp and find the contact you want to mute. Open the chat with that person. Next, tap the contact's name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Notifications, then tap Mute Notifications. Choose Always to stop receiving message alerts from this contact. After that, you can tap Lock Chat to remove the conversation from your main chat list, keeping your inbox clean and private. And that's it. You'll no longer receive notifications from that contact, without blocking them.